This is the FoldClick reset procedure video. I will demonstrate how to perform the procedure in case you have found yourself with an incorrectly unfolded FoldClick 2 or FoldClick 3 when not installed on a tow ball. The unit is not intended to be opened when not installed. The reset procedure may be required when the unit has been set in an unfolded configuration when not installed on a tow ball. So let's begin the process. What you will need to do to get it back into the vertical position is, while holding the top handle firmly, lift up on the release pedal. This will enable the unit to fold. You will notice that the unit still wants to unfold. This is because it is not quite ready. While holding the FoldClick in its folded position, lift it carefully onto the tow ball of your vehicle. Carefully and slowly begin to unfold the unit. About 1/3 of the way through the install, you will hear 1 or 2 distinct click sounds. The clicks may happen simultaneously. This indicates that the unit is engaged. After hearing the click sounds, stop and inspect the mechanism to ensure both of the side plates are in the same position. If both aren't the same, return to the start position and repeat the unfold process slowly. If both plates are in the same position, continue with the procedure. Confirm the unit tilts and folds fully again. This concludes the reset procedure. To prevent needing to repeat the reset procedure in future, do not attempt to unfold the unit when not installed on a tow ball. Never force the unit into position. If it feels like something is wrong, stop and return the unit to the previous state prior to attempting again. For any further details, please contact customer service. Remember to take it easy.